Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the mouse where it tracks reliably. Place it on a flat, consistent surface so the sensor reads steady motion. Once placed, set a relaxed grip, rest your palm, and use your index and middle fingers to control clicks, because tension creates jitter. Now, perform a deliberate short push of 1 to 2 inches toward your target to initiate motion. This small, controlled gesture gives you immediate, predictable movement and establishes the baseline for finer adjustments. Once you've initiated movement, refine control with a mix of short corrective strokes and broader arm motions, wrist for small adjustments, forearm for larger sweeps, because blending them reduces fatigue and improves accuracy. Make sure to match your mouse sensitivity to the task. Lower DPI or pointer speed for fine selection, higher for quick navigation. After each corrective stroke, pause a fraction to let the cursor settle so your click occurs precisely where intended. This habit prevents overshoot. You finish by bringing the pointer onto the exact spot with a gentle counterstroke or a tiny lift and settle. This final micro-adjustment locks the cursor for accurate clicking. If you notice drift or jumpiness, make sure to clean the mouse sensor and the surface, because debris often causes erratic tracking. Test again on a reliable pad to confirm. If hits still miss, lower sensitivity or rebind a control to reduce required movement, and then repeat the short stroke approach to validate precision.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.